2 girls, 1 rave. Let's go.
I'ma wake up, do bench. Join them subs, it's boredom. Ay. You feel trippy, I feel it out. Hop in my car and get it.
We are going to Snowglobe. Oh my god, it's way too hot for this. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing a video. No there was this trend going around like a couple months ago that was how much you spend in a week. I thought it would be a good idea to like kind of make it into a series. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how much I spend at a festival. If you don't know what Snowglobe is, it's pretty much a 3-day festival that's in the snow. Gets really chilly, that's why I'm wearing this. Shout out to Dolls Kill, I love you guys so much. Like, look how cool that looks. Let me know if you guys want more of these because festival season is approaching and I was thinking about doing one for Ultra, Coachella, all of those, so let me know. I do admit going to festivals does add up a lot. Like, at the same time, I would rather spend my money like on memories. Also, I'm so excited. I'm going with Tara, which she makes festival videos online too. I feel like there's not a lot of YouTubers that make like festival related videos. Where are they at? Comment below right now and let me know how much you think I spent in 3 days at a festival. And that includes like flight, hotel, all of that. Comment that right now. I'm waiting. Pre-rave, we had to book a flight and a hotel. For flight, it was, and for hotel, it was. Together, all of that would have been. We actually didn't have to pay for that. Shout out to Pollen because they brought me and Tara to Snowglobe, which is crazy. What? Shout out to Pollen. Pollen made the experience so amazing and we had the best time ever. Oh my gosh, my camera just turned off. Love that. If you guys don't know what Pollen is, it's a members only marketplace. And through Pollen, you can buy your festival tickets and invite your friends through you with Pollen. Guys, do not sleep on this. They have so many perks like quick entry, reduced ticket prices, Pollen lounges, and free drink tickets, which come in clutch at festivals. I will leave a link down below to sign up to become a Pollen member.
I'ma wake up, do bench.
First day was Friday and I landed and I had to take an Uber from the Reno airport to Lake Tahoe, which was like an hour. At festivals, we like to drink a little bit. I'm 21 and Tara's 24, so ew. So literally right when I got to her hotel, we went straight to the grocery store. I look disgusting, but I just went to the grocery store. We got the essentials. I also got tampons because I'm on my period. Some chaser, tequila, vodka, White Claws. We probably should have got some snacks, but the essentials. These are so good. We got alcohol and like chasers and stuff. This feels so weird saying this to you guys. I feel like I'm usually so PG-13. So I'm getting a triple espresso. Are you getting anything? I'm the crackhead. We finally got ready.
What about it?
What about it?
What do you mean? Oh, was I bothering you? We look fucking insane.
I know. So we forgot to film the outfits, how much it was, but I will include that, and took some pictures on the beach lake. Oh my god. Hi. Hi. Oh my god, hi. Welcome back to my channel. I look like a troll, guys. Look at my hair in the back.
You guys, can I show them?
Yes.
This is her actual hair tucked into her jacket, and then we're just like, you know what? It's fine.
It's a vibe.
Our
first festival together.
I know. And we're taking photos. Everybody.
I took the best picture of her, okay?
She did. She did. Okay.
So this is the total for the first night on Friday. Not too bad, right? I don't know. Kind of went really hard on the first night.
I'ma wake up, do bench. Join them subs, it's boredom. Ay. Working all night, need more though.
Now it's Saturday. We were a little hungover. Tara and I are at breakfast, and guys, this looks so good. We barely have ate, so we ate absolutely nothing. Oh my gosh. Cinnamon roll pancake breakfast, 1900 calories. That's like a full day's worth. So ready to dive in. 36, 67. Yeah, there's like food on the receipt. Yum. During festivals, Tara and I like to jewel. Only at festivals, guys.
It's meant.
Yeah.
Because it's disposables, I have to eat.
I like that.
Here we are.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Dude, thank you. $12.85. Ooh, was that a nice rush? She's cute. Love her. I'm just keeping it real. Okay? don't hate me. Brands, don't hate me. I don't smoke and drink all the time. Do not vape or e-cig or nicotine. Just don't. It's not good for you, but yeah.
I look scary.
I look like a mess. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya?
Welcome back to my channel.
It is your boy Matty fucking Smokes.
His Nick level's over 9,000!
We're doing a get ready with me. It's gonna be a time lapse. We went kind of hard yesterday.
Well,
you did. You went so hard yesterday.
I might have died and then come back to life. I woke up at 6 a.m. like, where am I? I hate me. The first day of the festival is always a little like, you're a little bit too excited to be there.
Yeah.
And I had the phenomenal idea of just getting like double shots of vodka.
And they gave us a lot.
Literally filled here.
She hooked it up. Okay, so we're gonna try to do like a smoky, like winged look a little. I don't know how it's gonna turn out.
I am going for like e-girl vibes. Not really sure what that means, but I'm just gonna put on a lot of black eyeliner.
Yes.
Do you
Guys-
leave out your swear words?
Yes.
Oh, I feel so family friendly right now.
Let's get ready.
Let's do this.
I'm into the port like vanish. With the booty on this flex. Now you and I am from another planet. I'm into the port like vanish.
Our outfits for day 2. It's pretty spendy when it comes to rave clothes. It's really sad, but it's okay. It's worth it. I don't even remember half my stuff. Okay, so I'm covering my nipples because they're really hard right now. Love that. These shoes, do you remember how much they were?
I think they were like 68.
Okay, 68.
I know, because I worked at Dolls Kill.
These pants, I'm gonna put a pop up. And same with the top. This jacket, how much is it? This is Tara's.
Yeah, this is from Topshop. It's like 120.
Oh, glasses. These were like 20, I think. But I literally look like such a douchebag in them. I also look kind of stupid in them, so it's okay.
How much was your hair tie?
60 cents.
Yeah.
Look at these pants.
Yeah.
Work.
pants are fire. Shoes are boohoo. I think they were like $50. Pants are...
Gloves fall.
Yeah, fucking pants are Jaded London. They were actually like $70. And this reflective belt was from Dolls Kill. It's like $15. This fanny pack is from Pre-Workshop. It's like $80. I hate myself. I wear them all the time, so it's fine. This top is from Dolls Kill. It was $50. This jacket is from Dolls Kill, also $50.
Well,
the face is priceless, bitch.
That's right. We're about to get our drink tickets from Pollen. So
Can I get a double vodka with like a Sprite on the side?
Love that.
yes. Thank you, Queen.
Shots. Yikes.
A few moments later.
Can I get a double vodka?
After that, we went to Taco Bell because we were so hungry. This is how much we paid on Saturday.
Working all night, need more.
We went to McDonald's and we ordered everything on the menu. I'm not even kidding. Getting some breakfast. Me too. I'm not enjoying myself. We really went ham. So much food. It was $23.76. Now on Sunday, these were our outfits and the prices. So it's the third day, the last day, sadly. But I was kind of worried about my outfit because I literally didn't know what I was gonna do. And I also brought like 2 different cheetah prints or leopards. It came through. So I have these pants, which are from Pretty Little Things, and they were like $20. This is also from Pretty Little Things, and I think it was like $15 to be honest. And then this is from Amazon, and it was I think like 20 or something. Jacket is from Topshop, and it was like $150. Stupid, but it's warm. And then these shoes.
Oh, boots.
These are not good. These are just Hunter rain boots, and I think they're like 100 or something. I'm not really sure. We were supposed to twin in this outfit, but the package didn't come to my house in time, so
We were gonna match. I'm actually in like a full Dolls Kill outfit, so these are my boots. They're like the bling boots. I think they're like $140.
they're so cute.
Yeah,
I'm like obsessed.
I've literally trashed mine. And then this is a really cool like snowsuit from Dolls Kill, and it's reflective. And this, I think it's like $150. And then I'm wearing this little baby tee.
I
that's
love
also
that.
reflective. It says Got Snow. These glasses that I feel, you guys, literally look at me. Douchebag. I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear these inside because I just cannot handle myself. I'm like.
We actually got some pizza at the festival, and it was so bomb. On the last day, I am obviously an hour away from the Reno airport because I'm in Lake Tahoe. Guys, the Uber prices were insane. So shout out to Tara. She literally drove me an hour out of her way to drive me to the airport so I didn't have to pay that. And then she had to drive to San Francisco. So love you, Tara. You are a real one. The total price of how much I spent at Snowglobe is, do the calculations, Sarai. We spent this much. So yeah, again, thank you so much, Pawn. We had such an amazing time. Inside of the festival, they have really cute lounges and bars and heated areas at the Pollen Lounge, which is so nice because it got really cold at Snowglobe. So me and Tara literally like escaped and went to the Pollen Lounge, and it was... Yeah, Pollen has a whole bunch of festivals like Snowglobe, which is what I went to, Decadence, Lollapalooza, Phoenix Lights, and Izu. Yeah, I will leave a link down below. Definitely check them out and sign up if you guys are interested. Also, another thing which I think is so important, everyone on the Pollen team is so sweet and nice. Like, they were so much fun. Shout out to Pollen, you guys are amazing. It was a great way to start the year. I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!